Naik kain juta. Apa, baik kamu kain. Ibu orang mana ya? Kok mana nggak woi? Apa dia mana? Ibu dia mana? Kakak kok mana?
Good morning, Divya Jyoti. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, kids. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, kids. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, beta. Good morning, beta. Arvi, turn off your camera. Nishka, turn off your camera, beta. Yes. Namaskar, everyone. This is Kanda Wagadia from New Era Public School. I welcome you to our English class. Before we start our class, let's do Deep Vandana. For that, join your hands, close your eyes. Shubham karoti kalyanam, arogyam dhan sampada, shatru buddhi vinashaya, दीप ज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते. शुभं करोति कल्याणम्, आरोग्यं धनसम्पदा, शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय, दीप ज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते. दीप ज्योतिर्नमोस्तुते. दीप ज्योतिर्नमस्तुते. Rub your hands, parents, okay? Rub your palm. Put them on your eyes. So after doing this deep Vandana, you will definitely feel fresh. Right, kids? How are you all? Good morning, Arvi. Yes, so let's start our class. No video. Am I visible? Good morning, everyone. Kids, am I visible? Please reply. Yes, if I am visible to some parents, those who are not getting the video, they are having some problem. Good morning. Am I visible, kids? Good morning, Shivansh. Some are saying yes, I am visible. Please reply, am I visible? If some children are saying yes, then there is problem in your network, those who are not getting video. Shivansh, change your place because some are getting my video, so there is no problem over here. Namya, change your place because I am visible today. अगर मैं दिख रही हूँ, that means there is no network issue here. Yes, good morning, kids. Good morning, everyone. So yesterday we did one and many. One and many. Again, you are not getting my video. Yes, am I visible, kids? See, some of the children can see me, that means मेरे network में कोई issue नहीं है, parents. Those who are not getting video, please change your place. Because सबको videos आ रहे हैं. That means you have some issue with your network. Let me change the place. Let me change the place. Wait, kids. Wait for a while. Let me change. Shift to another place. Yes, I'm changing the place, kids. Wait for a while. Yes, now. Am I visible, kids? Am I visible? Yes? So I'll be visible now. Okay? So let's start our session. Yes. Now there is no network issue at all. Okay, kids? Yes. So take out your term 2 worksheet. Second term worksheet. Page 7. Sorry. Page number 7. Term 2 worksheet. Page 7. Page number 7. Term 2 worksheet. Yes, taken, kids? Done. Nice. Write CW and today's date. What is today's date? It is 22nd. 22nd of October means 10th month. 2021. Yes, kids? Page number 7. Page 7. Write CW in today's date. Now let's read the heading. For the given singular picture, what is singular picture? Single thing means singular picture. The picture which has single thing, only one thing, is singular picture. For the given singular picture, find means search. Find its plural. Plural means many. So here you write one means singular means one and plural means many. Find its plural form and tick it. You have to search its plural form. This is singular form, and from this picture you have to search plural means many. In these pictures we have to search plural form of the word. Okay, kids? And what is the first picture? It's a picture of a no video. Ma'am, am I visible, kids? Am I visible? See, some are saying yes, means there is no issue with my network. Please understand one thing, अगर मेरे नेटवर्क में इश्यू होगा तो किसी को भी नहीं दिखेगा. कुछ बच्चों को दिख रहा है, that means कि there is issue with your network. Please check your network, children. Change your place. Yes, the first picture is of a. It's a picture of a. Yes, B. B, double E, double vowel. B. Yes. This is singular form, means single, one, and you have to search many, plural, many from this. So, which is many in this both pictures? This is many. It has more than one bees. And here it is written bees. Yes, 3 is many. So you have to take bees. शिवांश, there would be issue with your network क्योंकि सब कोई देख रहा है मेरा स्क्रीन. Yes, beta, all children can see me, na beta? It's not possible to them also to see me. Okay. So, okay, thank you, Dipti ma'am. Thank you. The first picture is of the second picture is of a bow. O. There is a vowel phonogram O. Have you seen vowel phonogram family O? O-W-O. Yes, it's a picture of a bow. Singular, one bow. Singular means one bow. And you have to search many, plural form from this both. Yes. So which is plural? This one is plural. Is it plural? Plural means, yes, it's not plural. This is plural. Plural means many. Plural is many. Yes. So these are bows. bows. So you have to take here. Bows. Plural. Many. Very nice, kids. I'm getting so many replies. The next picture is of a lip. Lip. Yes. Single lip. Singular lip. Plural of lip is this or this? This one? This one. I take this one. For plural, many. No. We have to take this one. Lips. These are many. Lips. Yes, bow is single. And bows are plural. S है ना? If there is S, it is plural. Many. Okay. Lip. Lips. Lips. Now the next picture is of a jug. How many jugs? Singular. One jug. Single jug. One jug. And you have to search plural. Which is plural from both of these? Is it plural or this is plural? These are more than one, means many. These are many jugs. See, it is written jugs, 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 jugs. Yes, very good. The first one is plural form. Plural means, what is plural? What is the meaning of this plural? Plural का मतलब क्या है? Many. Singular means one. Plural means many. Yes. Now next picture is of an ant. Yes. Next picture is of an ant. Right? An ant. A ant we can't say because this is a vowel. So we will add an. An ant. Single, an ant. In single word only we have to add a or an. Right? So this is single, one ant. So which is plural from these both pictures? Plural? Is it plural? Is it plural? The second one? Yes, the first one. These are two, means it is more than one. Yes, ants. Very good. I'm getting so many answers. Very good, kids. Ants. Ants. Yes, very good, Wes. These are two ants and two is more than one. When there is more than one, it is many. It is plural. Arya, everybody is getting my video, beta. Change your place, change your network. So let's read the sentence words again. Yes, children. Bee. One bee. Many bees. One bee. Many bees. One bow. Many bows. One bow. Many bows. One lip. Many lips. One lip. Many lips. One jug. Many jugs. One jug. Many jugs. One ant. Many ants. One ant. Many ants. Okay, children. Now take out your page number 9. Page 9. We will do a new practice. Page number 9. Turn the page, you will get page number 9. Next page. Write CW and today's date. What is today's date? 22 oblique. It is October, so the month is 10th. October is 10th month. And 2021. Yes. Have you done CW and date? Okay, kids. So let's read the heading. Choose, see, oo sound. We have double O, double vowel. Choose the singular. What is singular, kids? I have already explained, na? What is singular? What is singular, kids? Yes. When there is one thing, it is also called singular. So you will have to write one here. Singular means one. Singular means one. Choose the singular things. Singular things you have to choose. And plural things. What is plural things? Plural? Yes, many things means many. Plural means many. You have to write many here. Singular means one. Plural means many. So, choose the singular thing and plural thing from the given hexagon. What is hexagon? It's a shape. This shape is called hexagon. It's a hexagon pattern. Means it's a hexagon style box. So, you have to choose singular or plural and write it in the correct column. See, there is a double consonant. Double consonant. Double R, double consonant. Yes, hexagon is a shape. शिवांश बेटा, सबको वीडियो दिख रहा है बच्चा. I can't help you ना बेटा. आपको अपना ही नेटवर्क चेक करना पड़ेगा. I'm sorry बेटा, I can't help. मेरा नेटवर्क अभी चल रहा है ना. It is normal. You change your place, that will be okay. So, kids, there is a double consonant word. Correct. Okay. So, choose the singular thing and plural thing from the given hexagon pattern and write it in the correct column. Column means they have given two columns, two separate team like. It is called column. So, you have to choose from this and write in its right place. In its right place. So, let's read the first word, children. What is the first word? G or L, girl. You have to check if it is one or many, if it is singular or plural. Yes, kids? Is it singular or plural? Yes, it's one. Means singular. Yes, it is one. So, in which column we will write? In which column we will write? In this or in this column? This is one. So, we will write, yes, it is called singular. In this column. We have to write in this column. Yes, kids? So, let's write girl in this column. Girl, girl. Now you know the spelling of girl, now? Yes. Now, which is the next word? Table, table. The next word is table. Table is one or many? Yes, it is one, means singular. Singular. Yes, kids, table is singular. It is one. So which column we will have to write it? In first column or second? This column? Yes, in the first column. So let's write table. Table. Yes, kids? And which is the next word, kids? It's a fish. Fish. Sure. Sure is a? What is sure? Yes, fish. Very good. But what is sure sound? SH, sure? Sure is a? Yes, very good. Very good. I'm getting so many answers. It's a digraph. It's a digraph. Yes, kids. So in which column you have to write fish? Is it one or many? Fish. Fish. Fish is one or many? Yes. Fish is one. And what is many for fish? What is many for fish? You have to write here. Fishes. Fishes. How we will write? First we have to write fish spelling and you have to write ES. Yes, fish is one, singular. So we have to write it in a first column. Fish. Very good, kids. Now, what is the next word? Bibs. Bibs. So, is it singular or plural? Yes, it is many. How can we know it is many? हमें कैसे पता लगा? Because there is S at the end. With yes, fish is a different word. आपको अभी अब छोटे हो अभी इसलिए नहीं सिखाया जाएगा. इसका सिर्फ आपको साउंड समझने के लिए लिखवाया है. जैसे horse, horses, purse, purses, house, houses, वैसे ही fish में स साउंड आता है एंड में. That's why सिर्फ एक्सप्लेनेशन के लिए ही लिखा है. This is not our topic. ये बड़े बच्चों के लिए होता है क्योंकि ES होता है. Some words have ES sound at the end for many. But वो आपको अभी टॉपिक में नहीं है. आपको सिर्फ इसका साउंड समझना है. जैसे पिक्चर दिया है, रीड करना है. One fish, many fishes. One horse, many horses. ऐसे सिर्फ आपको समझना है. अभी ES वाले वर्ड्स मैंने नहीं करवाए. ओके, क्लियर विद? यस. थैंक यू बेटा. सो bibs. So at the end we hear the sound of so, and that's why we can know that it is plural. It is many. Bibs. Bibs. Right? So it is one or many? It is many. So we will write in which column? In many column. So let's write bibs in the column. Bibs. Bibs. Right, kids? And what is the next word? Hens. Hens. Yes. how we came to know, हमें कैसे पता लगा that it's many? Because it has S sound at the end. It has S at the end. One hand, many hands. One hand, many hands. So in which column we have to write it? In which column we have to write, first or second? Yes, it is many, means plural. Yes, in the second column. So let's write in the second column. Hands. Hands. Whenever you speak, you have to sound, you have to speak. Hands. ऐसे short नहीं करना है. Hands. Like that. Hands. Yes, children? So what is the next word, kids? Bed. Bed. Bed is one or many? It is singular or plural? Yes, it is one, means singular. So we will write in first column. It is singular. It is singular. So we will write in ones column. Yes, kids? Now, which is the next word? Bin. Bin. What is the meaning of bin? Can anyone say bin? Yes. Dustbin. Means its short is bin. Very good. Very nice. Bin. Is it one or many? Is it singular or plural? Yes, it is one. Very good, Kivish. It is one. Bin. So we will write in one column. We will write bin. Bin. Right, kids? Now, which is the next word? Oranges. Oranges. What sound is there at the end? There is S. So, is it singular or plural? Yes, there is S at the end. It's plural. Very good. It is many. It is plural. Very nice, kids. Very good. So, when it is plural, we have to write in this column. So, you have to write it in this column. So, let's write. Oranges. Orange नहीं बोलना है. That is not orange. That is oranges. Speak all of you. Oranges. Orange ऐसे नहीं होता. Oranges. Oranges. जैसे होता ना bips. Hence. Not like that. Oranges. Orange ऐसे नहीं होता. It is oranges. Oranges. You have to practice it, huh? Oranges. Right, kids? Oranges. It is plural word. So, what is the next picture, kids? It's a picture of a... Sorry, it's a word. What is the next word? It is pens. It is pens. Yes. Is it plural or singular? Is it plural or singular? Yes, it is many. Means it is plural. It is plural. So we will write in which column? In this column. Many column. Pens. Yes, second column. Very good. Pens. Yes, very good, kids. Now next word is dolls. Dolls. Can you see anything? What is this? What is this? Double L is? What is double L? Yes, very good. It is double consonant. It is double consonant. Very good, kids. Dolls. Dolls. And at the end we have S sound. Sound. So it is many. It is plural. Yes, kids, it is plural. So you have to write in many column. Dolls. 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 So on Monday I will ask for your worksheets. Okay? So you have to bring it. Ma'am will send you the message. But you have to finish it and give the homeworks I have given, right? Right, kids? This is today's classwork. And this is also today's classwork. So what will be our homework then? Yes. Page number 8 will be your homework. Write HW. And today's date. The same way you have to do. But in this picture, what is different? Below are given some pictures in circle. Find the singular form, means they have given many form, plural form. Many is already given. You have to search one, means you have to search singular form. You have to search this. Singular form you have to search because plural form is already given. So this will be your homework. Turn the page, kids. So this was our classwork, right? And page number 10, page number 10 is also your homework. Page 10. The same way we have done now. We have done in classwork also. It is the same thing. You have to write one and many and in its column. Right, kids? You have to underline the word and put it in right place. Okay, kids? So this is also our homework. Write today's date also. 22/10/2021. So kids, is there any query about today's topic? Yes, Sneh. Page number 8 and page number 10 will be your homework. Okay, no queries. You have to speak it oranges, not orange. Oranges. Right? You have to read also this if you get time. Okay, kids? So when you read, you get too much of practice reading things. Okay? Keep on reading things. It's good for your English. Okay? So let's end our session here, kids. Bye-bye, everyone. Namaskar, kids.